Right. So first I will do this one. Now here they say to find the value of Z. So you know here, according to the angle theories, we know angles on a straight line add up to 180. So therefore you can start from there. Or else there are 2, 3 methods. This is one way. So then I can find this angle. Then how to find this angle? I know 180 minus 114. So that is the first thing I can do. That is one way of doing. Right? So when I do like this way, I'm getting 66. So 66 I'm getting here. 66 degrees I'm getting. So then I know here it's 66 degrees. Now here it's 63. So to find Z, first I have to add these two. Then 6 plus 3, it's 9, 129. Then I can take away from 180. Why I'm subtract from 180? We know interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. Then I'm getting 180 minus 129, I'm getting 51 degrees. So like that way, I can find the value for Z. That is one way. There is another way. You all know another theory. Now, under the angles theories, there are plenty of theories we know. So when you add these to the second theory, you can apply. If you are using that, you can do like that. When you add these two angles, it should be add up to this value. We know when you produce one side of a triangle, this value should be the addition of these two. So you can include that as well. If you want, if you take like that, you're getting 114 minus 63. So from there, let me check whether you're getting the same answer. So from here, if you subtract, you're getting 1 and 5 years, even that you are getting the same answer. So remember, when you are doing these type of questions for the exam, you can apply any method that you want, because they are sometimes to write the reason. So there you can write your reason what you have used, right? Okay, so that's the way, either first method you use or the second method, whatever the method you use, you are getting the same value, right? We'll go to the second part. Under the second one, now this is an isosceles triangle. Then if this is 28, these two sides should be similar. These two angles should be similar. Now what I'm going to do, first 180, I can write it as an equation. You all know how the way that we are writing it. So if I want, I can write 28 plus y equals 180. So y plus y, it's 2y. So I can take 2y equals 180 minus 28. Then you're getting 2y equals 152. Then that when you divide by 2, you are getting 150. If you have it 75, then it should be 76. So you are getting one angle as 76. That's not the answer. That's not the place that where they ask you to find the x. Now, if this is 76, you can find the value of x, because angles on a straight line add up to 180. Therefore, if this is 76, to find x, 180 minus 76, then you're getting 104, right? So that's the way we are finding. The next question, there even you have 2, 3 methods. This is an isosceles triangle. So if this is, now see, angles on a straight line add up to 180. To find this, I can take 180 minus 111. So that means it should be 69 degrees. Now we know one property of an isosceles triangle, if the two sides are same, these two angles also should be similar. Therefore, I can take this also should be 69. That also equals to 69. Now I can use the shape of Z. Let me show that. See the shape of Z I can see from here to here. See the shape of Z, and these two, this A, C and D, E, those two are parallel. Therefore, I can include this shape of Z. Shape of Z means the alternate angle. So we know alternate angles are similar. Therefore, X also should be 69. That is how we are finding these three questions.